What's up, guys? In man's head here, Oshin, and I've done the video card upgrade. If you've seen part 1 of this series, you should see that I made the video card upgrade. Now, let's go to the computer and I'm going to show you some of the new benchmarks. Basically, it's going to show frames per second before the video card upgrade and after the video card upgrade. Now, let's go! Hey, what's up everybody? In a man's head here, Oshin. I'm going to be running an FPS test on my current computer. I have an i7 2700K, which is almost 10 years old, and the video card, graphics card on it is a NVIDIA GT220. That's also almost 10 years old. I'm going to run an FPS test to show what is the FPS. I'm going to be doing Call of Duty 3, which is fairly old. It's about 5-6 years old, on high settings. And if you notice, it will be close to 20, between 20 and 30 FPS on high settings. Then I'll change the settings to the recommended amount. I'll let the system analyze its capability, which pretty much lowers all the settings, and then the FPS jumps
down. You'll need to hold out as long as you can.
This has really smooth edges. I haven't experienced any freezing or lag at this amount of FPS. Alright, I'm gonna get out of the game. Gonna go to options, optimal video and audio. Currently, if you look, most of these are on high. We're gonna change it, restore optimal settings. I see more edges.
Enemy forces are advancing to your position. Do whatever you can to survive.
It's not as smooth. It's more pixelated. And my FPS has gone up pretty much double. But it's a lot more fuzzy. I'm not crazy about it. It's still there. Boom!
Weapons armory is online. Ammo and weapons upgrades are available. Alright.
Let's check out what the settings are. Go to options. Oh yeah, so they went to automatic, image quality low. A lot of these things are off now. Shadows, all of that. So there you go. GT220. So I changed the options on StarCraft, which is a little bit newer of a game. I went to high, and even in the beginning of the game it's at 30 SPF. The edges are still not perfect. They're horrible. And then look at the SPF, it drops, and I feel like everything is slower. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna go back, changing the everything back to low. It originally wanted me to do low, and it actually tells me the type of video card. Now I'm gonna accept. I'm gonna have to do a restart. I'll come back. Alright, so now if we go into the options, everything's on low. Currently it's 60. And let's check out what happens when I go to campaign. Okay. The light highlighting is a lot more responsive. I still have edges, as it was before in the high setting, but my number here is in 60s instead of in the 5s and 10s.
SIGINT shows large enemy forces en route to your location. Dig in and do whatever you can to survive. Team, we cannot get to you. I repeat, you are on your own. Survive by any means necessary.
С вами хочет поговорить командующий взводом. Впереди! Точно, вижу его!
SIGINT shows large enemy forces en route to your location. Dig in and do whatever you can to survive.
Вражеская цель пересекает поле!
Time to man up. Raider.
Kill him!
Raiders roll. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Break it down. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan.
Commander, a large Dominion force is gathering in the center of town.
Then it's time to call in that special delivery we talked about.
Thanks for the assist. We're with you, Raider.